In a small Indian town, there lived a humble rickshaw driver named Ravi. He wasn't rich. He lived in a tiny one room house with his wife and little daughter Meena. Every morning, Ravi started his day before sunrise, pedaling his rickshaw through busy streets, taking children to school, people to work, and elders to the market. He worked hard, smiled often, and never complained. But life wasn't easy. Some days he earned enough for food, other days they slept hungry. Still, Ravi always told his daughter, Meena, no matter how poor we are, never stop being honest. One evening, after dropping his last passenger, Ravi was riding back to home. The sun was setting, painting the sky with orange and pink. He was tired and had barely earned enough to buy dinner. Suddenly, something shiny caught his eye on the roadside. He stopped the rickshaw and picked it up. It was a wallet, leather, new and heavy. He opened it slowly. Inside were several thousand rupees, notes, an ID card, and a few photos. Ravi's heart started to race. He looked around. No one was there. For a few moments, he just sat there and thinking. He whispered to himself, this money could help Meena's school fee, maybe fix our leaking roof. He closed his eye, torn between need and honesty. Then he remembered his mother's voice. Son, when you choose honesty, you choose God's path. Ravi sighed and smiled softly. He decided he would return the wallet. He looked at the ID card. The name was Arjun Mehta and the address was on the other side of town, almost 10 kilometers away. It was already dark and Ravi was exhausted, but he knew he couldn't rest with that wallet in his pocket. So he started pedaling again, slowly. Through the cold night air, street light flickered, dogs walked, and his tired legs ached. But his heart felt peaceful. After nearly an hour, he reached the address. It was a large house with a bright gate. Ravi hesitated for a moment, then knocked. A middle-aged man opened the door, surprised to see a rickshaw driver standing there so late. Ravi said politely, Sir, I found this wallet on the road. I believe it is yours. The man's eye widened in shock. He quickly checked the wallet and said, Oh my God, this is my salary for the month. I dropped it this morning. I can't believe you brought it back. Ravi just smiled and said, It wasn't my sir. I only did what was right. The man's eye filled with tears. He said softly, Thank you. There aren't many honest people left in this world. The next day, Ravi was back at his rickshaw stand. He was ready for another long day. Suddenly, a car stopped near him. It was the same man, Mr. Arjun Mehta. He smiled warmly and said, Ravi, I couldn't stop thinking about your honesty. I run a transport company and I need someone trustworthy. Would you like to work with us? Ravi was speechless. His eyes shone with tears. Sir, me? A job? I had be honored. Mr. Mehta nodded. It is the least I can do. People like you make this world better. From that day, Ravi's life changed. He got a steady income. His daughter continued to school and he never had to worry about food again. But more than money, he gained respect, peace, and blessing of honesty. Sometimes God tests us when no one is watching. The real test of faith is in those quick choices when only your heart knows what was the right. Ravi passed the test and the Lord rewarded him in his own perfect way. The moral of the story is be honest, do good even when it seems small, because the Lord's plan is always bigger than your problem.